After cleaning with your CrossWave Cordless Max, you can use the self-cleaning cycle to clean your brush roll. For an overall thorough clean, follow the steps in this video. Make sure your machine is turned off and not sitting on the 3-in-1 docking station. Grab the front of the brush roll window and pull up to remove. Pull up on the white brush roll tab to remove the brush roll. Both the brush roll and brush roll window can be rinsed under warm water to clean. The brush roll chamber can get dirty too. Make sure to wipe it clean with a paper towel or cloth. Let your brush roll and brush roll window dry before you reassemble them. Once dry, put the brush roll back into your machine by inserting the right side in first. Press down on the other end until it locks into place under the tab. The brush roll window can be replaced by lining up the tabs on the edges of the foot. Then push the brush roll window back into place until you hear a click. You can also watch our maintenance video to see an alternative way for cleaning your brush roll.